Hello, my name is Maher, and I'm from the Philippines. I'm applying for the culinary training program with your company. I desire to start as soon as possible. I'm interested in this program because I want to enhance my skills, to learn more, and experience new culture. To tell you a little bit about myself, I'm hardworking, open for new learnings. I'm easy to make friends in a workplace, and I'm an honest person. I am very familiar with pastries and breads. I work in a hotel named Metro Inn as an assistant pastry chef for 6 months. I also work in a Vikings luxury buffet restaurant, which is the largest buffet restaurant chain in the Philippines, where I work for 10 months as a baker. Why should you select me? Well, as I said, I'm honest, hardworking, and friendly. I will also do my best to contribute to your company. I am very thankful for this opportunity to introduce myself and to apply for the training program with your company. Thank you for your time and considerations.